What a day, boys. What a day. Yep, awesome day. Trying to get the camera away and see it. It ain't looking like it's going to, so it is what it is. But anyway, making a cubby right here. Try not to give away my location so much. I'm gonna be careful where I throw my stuff. A little bit of deer meat. I'm gonna handle my bait first. Probably be good and soggy by the time I come out of here. I got a few more traps to check. I'm gonna call it a day. Now, good one right there. Set me number 3. Don't get excited now, boys. Don't get excited. Be all right. How do you do it? Ah. bit on something. That wind's cutting sides also. That's good. Okay. Give her up. Mud, buddy, mud. Making sure. Everything's good. That dirty limb a trap. Calcium. Another thing. Okay, coffee filter. Off the bat, I don't like this jug I'm using. Now, build my funnel up. Put my little beaver caster out. Everything's got glycerin in it, so it should stay through the freeze. Notice I said should. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Don't really matter right now at this point. Everything I got is soaking wet. Been wanting to put a trap here for a couple years now. And I how to do this. Put your glove back on, put your hand in, pinch the bottom, pull it out. That's what I gotta do. Just put my little beaver caster out right here. Put the old stink gloves back on. Right out here in the pouring rain. Strong stuff right there. Got a little fish oil, a little bit of beaver caster. Put that right there. Build my funnel up. I don't like that funnel. I'll bring the chicken back down here. I'll wait and see how that deer is going to do. If that deer don't produce, I'll warm me a chicken right beside that deer. Good right there. That's good right there, buddy. Right there, buddy. Pussycat. Come right in right there. Right there, bro. Won't you, Mr. Pussycat? There. Right on through yonder, Mr. Pussycat. Get a little stick. He said right there. I got him in. I got him right in where I want him. Okay. Leave it alone. Here's where I seen the two bobs. One last year and one this year. They sit on this bank and look at all this debris and decide whether they want to go down and get something to eat or not. Get all my garbage up. Make sure I got all my tools. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's my little cubby. Got fish oil on it. A little bit of beaver caster. But like I said, this is where I'd seen the two bobs. So I mean, just got to have some cold weather. There's so much for them to eat. Ground squirrels still running. Ticks are still crawling. I found some ticks on the deer carcass. Deer cape. But I got it calcium chloride, peat moss. It's bedded good and solid. Number 3, Duke. Step wind. Get my old garbage bag up. Got all my junk up. All I gotta do is stop right there on the bank and look and see what I've got. I'm hoping. Hope he comes in and wants to try to pull that off. Like I said, I'll bring me a chicken up here. I'll let that deer sit for a few days and see if anything happens. If not, I'll bring me a I'll bring me a chicken up here and walk right to the base of that tree. Where that root is. They'll not get it off. They'll have to pull it. They get brave enough to come in to eat. That tree will get them. Let's head out of here. It's Roland Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Setting traps in the rain. A lot of people say, I wouldn't do it in the rain, or you're not going to do any good in the rain. There'll be no dang difference if you set the trap and it pours the rain the next day. I've got to put some pressure on these cats and canines. We'll see what it does. Everything looks good. I'm satisfied with it. This is Roland Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. As always, go further, stay longer. Stay with me. Rough start to the first 16 days. I believe 16. But looking forward to turning around. Need some weather to come in. Need some snow. Catch you out in the field.